just one beautiful equal world. And I call this an attainable goal. If everyone might drop a little bit of kindness in everything you do, every day as you wake up, everything as you do, when you see anyone, weird people or good people or bad people, whatever people you see, if you reflect that little kindness, a little compassion, a little sensibility, little forgiveness, and then we might just make this world a better place. All right. Can I sing a Tibetan or English song?
Tibetan!
All right, here's a... the time is constrained, so I would love to do you like 20 different songs, but here's go. Here's a song I wrote when I was pretty sad. It's a sad song in Tibetan, but it's a song that I wrote. It's called This Precious Life in Tibetan language. I hope you like it. It's on the One Mother Earth. You can find me on Bandcamp, One Mother Earth. One like a number one, and then Mother Earth. Oh, Simba, Simba yo mana, ning zi zhou la, gang yin ka zun che yang, wo che yang, sim shu na miao man che. Yo mana now kibuki Mets nam kenjanta ninchi e gyureo Me zendi rinhan Areo me tendi rintang te areo Oh, Simba, Simba yo mana, now kibuki. Rintang tewen zewa, mulkin yo yameo. Oh, Simba. Kipunanga Ansungoni kipureo Nyamzun chue lendi Sunam chimbureo Sim kipunanga Ansungoni kipureo Zangmatirun zomba Zomba, chilum ngo mareo, love thee, chilum.